Hello YouTube, wanted to do an unboxing of the Microheli carbon fiber frame upgrade kit for the Horizon Blade 200QX. The model number on this box says MH-20QX005FK, and I've broken the seal and now I just want to do an unboxing. So looks like build guide type instruction manual. I won't open that. Let's see, what do we have here? Zip ties. Look like servo type cables, possibly. Some LED lights. And those look to be like some sort of a washer right in there. Arms. Already has the, well, I think when I saw how it works, it swivels open and closed for transporting, but that looks to be the case. Looks like in there some landing gear as well. Okay. Bottom plates. I don't think there's a top plate. Bottom plate and some Velcro ties, battery ties. Looks like it has a couple posts already mounted to it here and back here. Another package of arms and another package of the landing gear. This is just one bag. So one bag. These look like your standoffs, screws, either bottom plate or top plate. And I'm thinking that might even be, I don't know if that's like a battery type brace. Anyway, that's it. So again, this is the Microheli carbon fiber frame upgrade kit for the Blade, Horizon Blade 200QX. Looks pretty cool. So I will do a build video as soon as I take it apart, because right now it is on the oh gosh, what did I don't even remember what I had it on. It's on the hang on. Oh, it's on the Extreme Production MR200 kit right now. So I got to break that apart. You'll see that in one of my other videos. That being built, that being the build process and the actual final build. I will do the same thing with this one when I'm done. Just a short video, but thank you for watching. Hope you guys liked it. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. Thanks.